glass. The walls between us, we paid for these. Lock the doors and teach our kids to be neighborly. Build a fence to delineate A from B. We work 6 days, come home and rake the leaves. They wanna save the trees and free Tibet. If only they could see, perceive the threat we face at home. If only we could let this make-believe cease and take the deepest breath.
There's an unseen sickness in the air of despair. Terror-ridden homes was prone to welfare compared to the plush comforts of elsewhere. Tend to the suburbs, pretending we care. I swear to live my life in a positive light and honor my insight as long as my pen writes. Invite the whole world to be free. Reality not just based on TV. Do you hear me? But do you hear me? Tell me, do you feel me? Tell me, do you feel me? The day is coming.